So good afternoon, you guys. I don't know why I'm saying good afternoon, because it's morning. Girl, I got you. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I am on my way to Atlanta. So Tajane, Nailed by Taj, I think is what her YouTube channel is called. If I'm incorrect, me. But if I am incorrect, I will link her channel in the description box. Either way it goes, I'll link her channel in the description box so you can know who I'm talking about. But I signed up for one of her nail classes. You guys know I've been doing my nails with the Gel X for a while, and I had recently decided I wanted to get into doing acrylics. So I was watching YouTube videos and things like that to learn how to do them, and it's been okay. It's been okay using YouTube videos. However, there are a couple of things that I just think that I cannot learn from the videos. So when I saw that she was offering a class, I decided to join her class. So now the class is $500. Lunch is provided, and I think some other things like drill and things like that are provided. So I did not bring anything from home of the products that I have already purchased. So because of course whatever comes with the class, I want to partake in that. My main goals for the day are to learn the powder to liquid ratio for acrylics, the 3D flowers, and how to sharpen up the shape when I file, because I don't think I sharpen up the shape as good as it could be. So I want to learn that as well, and any other things that she's offering. But those are the main three things that are in my mindset that I really want to learn.
Before I actually start to apply the nail tips on to the practice finger, I'm going to etch the free edge of the nail, and this is going to help with getting the nail tip to stick. I don't do this on my client. I'll use like the sanding band, but this hand file is more coarse than the sanding bands that's in your kits. Okay. Place and hold. So then I'm going to show you guys how far down the nail tip is. So you don't want to place it too high up. One, two, three. So kind of what you was doing the first time when you were holding your brush into the powder for a little longer. Okay.
you guys, so I am sitting on the floor in my room, just coming in to show you guys everything that came in the kit that we got at the class. I showed you guys some things in the clip, but I don't know what I missed, so I'm just gonna, oh excuse me, so I'm just gonna show you everything. Disregard how I'm looking. This is just like something on the fly. I don't have on earrings. Wait, I feel naked. Let me get some earrings. All right, you guys, so hold on, one more thing. Let me look decent up in here. Let me look decent up through here. Now I am ready. So I have on some earrings, I have some lip gloss, and we're gonna talk. Ooh, my belly looks fat sitting right here. Anyway, that beside the point. So let's move back just a little bit. So anyway, that beside the point. So this is from the class that I took with TAH. She was so sweet and she was very informative. I think there are some things that we did not get to during the class, but I'm hoping she does have another class, because I'll definitely take it. I kept dropping hints at the class for her to have another one, so hopefully she will. So first off, this is a hand, but this one right here I believe is the full hand. Let me see, I did open it up, or is this one? I think this one is the full hand. Yeah, nail training hand kit. So it has the full hand. And I did want one of these, so I am glad that she did put one of these with our kits, because you guys know I only have that silicone hand, and this came with some brushes that I probably won't use. I don't know, maybe the liner brushes, maybe. Let me not speak too soon. Everything is in this big bag right here, so that's what I'm going through. Then we use this nail training. It says nail training hand, but it's not a full hand in here. It is just 3 fingers. It's 3 fingers, a stand, and some replaceable tips. Box of 500 pieces square tip nails. A box of nails. This nail drill, and I showed you guys the nail drill in the original video. Well, while I was using it. So here's the nail drill. Got this little teddy bear. Is that a teddy bear? Yeah. Hello Kitty with the bear charms. Cuticle remover kit for softening and removing the dead skin of nails. Here you get a cuticle remover, pair of cuticle nippers, some lint cloths, and some cuticle oil, and then these to push the cuticle back and things like that. Also, there are some files. I don't know what grit she said these were, but by the feel of them, I want to say they feel like they're 80-80. That's what I want to say. I could be wrong, but I want to say 80-80. Hopefully she'll see this video and correct me. And then this bottle of monomer from Mia Secrets. And while we were there, the monomer that we were using to work with, she gave it to us. She poured it from her big bottle. I think these came in the hand. It's some nail tips that came in the hand. Then there is a nail buffer block. And we have... this I think is a cover nude. Not cover nude, well, a nude. Yeah, this is a nude. Ooh, acrylic. I don't know what brand it is because it doesn't have a label on there. And then we have this white. I don't know what this may be clear. I'm gonna say clear. And then this is by Chisel. We have this solid 273. It's like a pink color. And then this Glow 11, and this one actually glows. Nail dehydrator and primer kit. A number 14 brush. Yes, she started us out the gate with the 14 brush, so I'm going to try to use the 14 brush instead of the 8 that I bought. A brush to get dust and debris off. 1, 2, 3, 4 nail brushes. There were 6 of these buffing blocks. I don't know what I did with the other one. They may be down here in the bag, or I may have thrown it in trash. I'm not sure. Some clippers, and these clippers are so cute. They have a smiley face on them. And this one, I think it came in the nail kit. I'm not sure. And this came in the nail thing. And then a pair of scissors. I must have her glue because I have 2 glues. Unless she put 2 glues in there. I thought I only used. Because the way we were sitting, we were kind of sharing some things. And then we have dapping dish and some more glue. This is a brush on glue, 7-land brush on glue, and then a 100-180 grit file, and a, let's flexi brush. This is the brush that we used to do the, what do you call those? The 3D flowers. So that is it. That is what came in the kit. Like I said, if she offers a part 2 to the class, I will definitely sign up. At any rate, thank you so much for coming to check out another video here on the channel. Please do go ahead and subscribe if you have not. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video across all your social media sites, because your girl really does appreciate it. So with all that being said, until the next time and between time, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe. Deuces.